I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials so installation goes smoothly. Install a stable Android emulator like BlueStacks or LD Player because they emulate touch and map controls. Once installed, sign into Google Play with your account so you can download Call of Duty Mobile. Make sure two-factor is on if you want added security. Also check your PC hardware, at least 4 CPU cores, 8 GB RAM and 10 GB free storage, to avoid lag during play. Once done with accounts, download Call of Duty Mobile from Google Play inside the emulator. Install like on a phone. Next, open the emulator's key mapping or gamepad editor to map WASD for movement, mouse for aim, left-click to fire, and keys for crouch, jump, and reload. This gives exact PC control. Then, make sure to set graphics to a stable frame rate. Choose mid settings if your GPU is modest, and enable VSync or frame limit to reduce tearing. To finish, optimize performance so gameplay feels crisp. Allocate additional CPU cores and RAM in the emulator settings if you notice stuttering, and select the recommended renderer, DirectX or OpenGL, based on your emulator's guidance. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date, because driver updates often fix performance bugs. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, reinstall Call of Duty Mobile, or reset the emulator. This restores default mappings and resolves most crashes or sign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.